What if I told you that there was a hair product that can control your hair, has really strong hold, it's a set it and forget it style, which means you put it in your hair, it doesn't move, the wind won't blow your hair all over the place. It's got an amazing fragrance, really high quality ingredients, and it's going to keep your hair locked in all day. Well, that's what this is. This is my Power Cream. Now, I know if you are using this, you know what this product does. You're already purchasing it. The orders have been spiking once again. This is like a spike product where it goes in waves, where people just buy tons of this and then it's a bit more quiet. And then they go buy tons of it. Well, maybe it's because I'm not really letting you all know what this is. I've had this product for years and years. It's in my crafted line. This is handcrafted. It's got a very luxurious, beautiful fragrance to it. And it's designed to be bulletproof hold. And that's why I called it Power Cream. It's literally a extremely powerful cream gel that if you want your hair to just stay in place all day, you want to have like no worries, it's not gonna move, it's bulletproof, this is it. And because it's such high quality, it smells great, this is why I'm sharing this with you. Let's just say you have a hairstyle like this, right? Your hair always falls down, you're like, oh, I can't stand it falling down. Every time I use something, like it's just, if it doesn't hold. You want to have a powerful kind of slick back look. You want something that's your hair's not going to move. You do want that strong hold, and you can have even short hair if you want your hair to be spiked up. It doesn't matter. This is going to literally be like crazy glue in a sense for your hair. So what you do is you simply just squeeze some out like this. Now, depending on how long your hair is, you may need to use more, need to use less. What you want to do is you work it into your palms and the fingers like so. Now, here's the key, is you don't want to work it in all the way, because once you do, it's going to start drying rapidly. Make sure that you still see it on your hands, and you're going to apply it right from the sides, right throughout the top, and you want that product to be very, very, you don't want it to be worked through the hands, because once you do, like I said, if you work it all the way in, it's going to be too late, it's going to get too grippy, and you're going to have some problems with it. So it's going to give you a matte to natural finish. I would say more on the matte side. And what you do is you just work this product in. And once again, like I mentioned, depending on how long your hair is, this will, you may need some more product. This is definitely a mannequin that has a ton of hair. So I used a little bit less just to be conservative, but you want more, then you use more. Simply just squeeze it out. And here I'm applying it like so into the hand. I'm going to work it in. Make sure you work it into your fingers, because you're using your fingers to work it through. See how it's still very, very creamy? There you go. And then work that product in. And you can see now, just by utilizing some more, that is the secret sauce to this, is making sure you use the right amount. Just comb it through with your hands. I would say your hands for this are going to be your best friend here. You can see I'm taming the hair. I'm making sure I get through all of it. And you probably won't even need a comb for this, because you're getting it right through. Just make sure that you do work the hair all the way through. You work the product all the way through, because it does need to get worked in. If you don't work it in, you will see the product on the hair. If you have some left over, you can simply just go over the top layer like this. And basically, look what we've created. A perfectly matted down, slick back look. And you can have some volume if you want, but this is really ideal for those people who just want something where you don't have to worry about your hair. It's a set it and forget it type of style. You're not going to be running your fingers through your hair. The last thing you want to do is worry about what's going on with your hair. You can simply just work it in like this, and it's going to stay in place all day. It's going to take a little bit of time to dry. Once it does dry, that's it. So once again, Power Cream. If you click on View Products, you can get it right here. If you want to shop any more, you can go to my website, shop.TheSalonGuy.com. But this is a product of mine that really I don't promote enough, and it goes in waves. And lately I've been having a huge spike with this, so I figured why not talk about it, because I think a lot of you might not know about this. So it's an amazing product. Check it out. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.